So let's try what we have before. Okay. So as per the step one earlier, we have to go to the data tab in the data analysis toolpack here. And then we will choose data analysis. Okay. And then we're going to choose correlation. We're going to press OK. And then we are going to define the input range. So as per earlier, the input range here should be all of them. Okay. And then now we are going to do the output range. Okay, so we are going to see the output here. So what are we going to do next? We have to press OK. Okay, there is an error. Okay, let's try again. There you go. So this is the result. Is it the same with what we have earlier? So we have 1, 0.19, 0.09, 0.10111. So it's the same on what we have earlier. So again, the conclusion of this one is variable A and C. So variable A and then variable C, this is the value, 0.91. It means that they are positively correlated to each other. And then we have variables A and B. So we have A and then value of B, which is 0.19. They means they are not correlated at all. Why? Because if we are going to round this off, it's nearer to 0 than positive 1. So variables B and then variable C, this is the result. So 0.11, which means they are also not correlated. Okay, so that's how we are going to apply the correlation in Excel.